It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, the 11th of April. I'm James Spann. A summer-like pattern continues for the rest of this week and the weekend, with ridging in place that deflects the main rain producers well to the west and north of the state. Check it out. There's the water vapor satellite view this afternoon. Unsettled weather west of Alabama, parts of Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas. That was the Memphis radar at 241. Rain falling in parts of West Tennessee, extreme North Mississippi, and some of those could clip the northwestern corner of Alabama in the next few hours, but generally speaking, our state is dry this afternoon. Upper 70s and low 80s in most spots, Birmingham at 79. There's a visible satellite view, nice cumulus field across the state, sky partly sunny. Around the nation, colder air around the Great Lakes, and out west, the cold front nearing the northwestern tip of the state, but the front is simply going to run out of gas, and more than likely it stalls out north of here, dissipates, and the weather just doesn't change much. Around the nation, things fairly quiet this afternoon. That's the watch warning map. That's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. Marginal risk for parts of Texas and up in the northeastern states, but around here we have green. That means isolated thunder possible for the northern third of the state tonight, but again, most places stay dry. Tomorrow, again, we'll mention isolated showers and storms. Many places rain-free. A risk of severe storms well to the west, and on day 3, Thursday, will be dry, and a marginal risk of severe weather out in West Texas. Not much rain. It's a dry pattern. We sure hope this thing isn't locked in through summer. This is the rain for the next 5 days. Nothing for Southeast Alabama directly under the ridge. Amounts for the northern part of the state generally under 1/2 inch. So let's see what we've got model fans. Here we go. The GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Flat ridge here. A weak surface boundary over North Alabama. And again, there might be a few isolated showers or storms, but many places dry. Here's the high-res 3-kilometer NAM, 4 a.m. tomorrow. And again, maybe a few showers passing through at that point. And then tomorrow afternoon, you can see a few specks on here, and that's just, you get the idea. It's not going to rain in most places. But again, we'll mention isolated showers, maybe early in the morning, and then again during the peak of the daytime heating process. The high tomorrow should be around 80. Thursday, the front dissipates. The ridge strengthens. We'll expect low and mid-80s with a partly to mostly sunny sky. Same thing Friday, warm and dry. Highs 80 to 85. And the weather's just not going to change for the weekend. Warm and dry for the most part. This is Saturday, and this is Sunday. Sunday, the moisture might be a smidgen deeper, but again, I just don't think we need to mention rain at this point. Both days look dry with warm afternoons. Now, Monday of next week, a surface boundary drifts in from the north, and again, it's not going to have much upper support with the ridge, but that might kick off a few scattered showers over the north. But through most of next week, it's the same thing like we have this week. This is a week from today, Tuesday the 18th. Again, we have ridging here. New surface low develops over the Great Plains with that old surface boundary across the state lifting north. And again, you might mention a small chance of a shower. This is the end of next week, Friday the 21st, troughing north of the state. A dry air mass might be a touch cooler at that point. This is the QPF for the next 10 days, out to 240 hours, coming off the GFS. And you can see there's just not much. The better chance of getting any decent rain near the Tennessee Valley, and even that's just a chance. For Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, rain amounts, if any, should be under 1/2 inch. And the numbers, warm days, pleasant nights. And again, no sign of any big change through the next 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes of the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.